Hey guys, it's Tom here.
And I'm Mitchell, and we are AXIAN gamers.
Today we're going to be playing Ratchet and Clank 3's multiplayer. Just get this up here. Okay, we've actually done this quite a lot previously, to our shame, because we've been trying to get this thing to work. Do you want to just go to Metropolis, because we did Metropolis earlier?
Nah, let's do a different one.
Oh, come on.
Blackwater City. No.
Command Center, no,
No.
that's boring. Blackwater Docks is boring.
I want to do a
No.
siege. Sieges are the best.
Do you want
There,
to-
that one.
This
that
one's
good.
really hard, though.
Who cares? We've
Fine.
got all the time in the world.
Or do you want to do that one?
That one.
Okay. Mode Siege, time no, weapons all on, advanced options, unlimited ammo. Do you want to spawn with weapons?
Yeah. Oh, yes to everything. 'cause
And
we're
charge
cheaters.
mode. Siege rules normal. Great. Right, I'll be red team if that's cool.
Yeah. I'll be blue then.
Okay.
me try
Okay. Whoops. I'll be Robo. Actually, hold on. What else have we got?
Scrunch the monkey. I'm being Scrunch.
Go on then. What's that one? Robo Rooster. Nah,
Yeah, it's not that great. It's just a robot with big eyes.
I'll be a trooper.
Good for you. Good for you.
Scrunch.
That'll
You're gonna be a
confuse me.
monkey now, aren't you?
Yep.
All right, let's do this
But
thing.
you'll win because you're a machine.
I'm a machine.
And I am a mere ape. How I look anyway. I probably look like a real tall monkey. That looks weird.
Alright, let's get it. Oh, okay. Yeah, you do. You're a really tall man.
And third person.
Oh, what weapons do I have? Oh, I have really good
Great, actually.
I have really good weapons, actually. Gravity bomb. I'm just getting prepared. It's like the Disney song, you know, be prepared. Right, got the blitz gun. And, right. Why we even bother going for ammo packs? Oh, right, we have to get the bridge up, don't we? Oh, no, my bridge. Oh, what the hell?
First death.
Oh yeah, alright, laugh while you can. Oh wait, there's gravity boots on the wall. Right, okay, let's do this. Yeah. Gravity boots on the wall.
What? There's just a car here?
I think you gotta capture it with nodes.
No, I don't. It's just a
Oh,
car.
I lost all my cool weapons. I forgot about that. It's just a car you can take.
Yeah. Oh, hell, I just pulled it away.
Oh, lava. Alright, okay. I have died twice so far. I'm not doing very well. I really am not doing very well at all. I am kind of ashamed of how bad I'm doing right now. Right, okay, get the gravity bomb. Vroom, motherfucker, vroom.
Ow, peace. We shouldn't sing any
Ow,
songs.
peace.
We shouldn't sing any songs. We could get copyright. Oh.
Yeah.
Blew them up. I can do that.
Yeah, you totally can. Oh.
Oh, I just made a monkey noise. That was so cool. See?
Huh. You died?
I'm gonna go after
Okay,
a different
capturing a
one.
node. Oh, I can get your weapons. I mean,
That's all. I didn't have anything.
oh yeah.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Oh, I got the Morpho Ray and the Blitz again. Oh, I just blew up one of my own guys. I am so sorry, sir. Your family will get compensation. Can I do anything for you? Okay. Run you over. Okay.
Why are you following me?
Oh, get out! Oh, Christ, I forgot to get out. I didn't notice it was on fire. Oh, come on.
I hit you with my lava gun anyway.
You did.
You were following me. So
Jerk.
What are you doing? Well, lava gun's pretty powerful.
It is really good. It's good when you get the ice.
I know, it was weird in the third one. In the second one, they were just fireballs.
Yeah, something like that. Maybe. It was like a gadget sort of thing. It wasn't even a weapon. You just used it to melt ice surfaces and swing and stuff. I still think the third Ratchet's the best one. That was a bit odd. Oh well. Oh. Huh. You know, if you're in strafe mode, Press R2 and it goes into first person. It's really weird. Oh my god, he's not dead. There we go. Oh Christ, I didn't notice that. Come on, game. Leave me alone.
Ow, that hurt.
Did it? Oh, and I'm dead.
Another one.
You could live! No, you will not live! Oh Christ! Oh Christ!
That's what you get for messing with me.
I'm getting my weapons back. There's something decent. Getting these back. What do you even have? Wow, I have every weapon now.
What?
I have
Kidding me?
every
Why don't
weapon.
you die? Oh, sorry.
Like, if you pick up mine now, you'll have every single weapon. Right, where's the nanotech? 'Cause I'm like totally gonna die. I seriously. Oh, there's some nanotech.
There's only 3 nodes. I mean, oh wait, no, there's 2 more at the very bottom of the map.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, go in this direction. I'm just gonna take siege on your base. Oh, and I got the charge. Okay. That's kind of embarrassing. Right.
What's embarrassing?
Oh, I just did this thing where it was like.
Never mind. Be quiet. I've stolen one of your
Oh
middle
Christ! I
fence.
fall in.
Lol, I've stolen.
Oh
some.
come on! No, I can't even spawn in the middle. I have to suck so much. Oh Christ! I see you. Oh Christ! I am. Are you just gonna camp there now?
Maybe.
Don't be a jerk.
I'm gonna be a jerk.
Oh, you are.
I can do what I want.
You can. You really can. I am powerless now.
I can't even see on the map. There. What? Oh, I thought there were 2 cars there by my base. I was like, what? Really? Why?
What? Alright, okay. Are these my guys or your guys?
My guys, you don't own a single base.
Oh my god. I am really failing at this.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, taking out these nodes. Oh cool, I hit my mind zone. Because yeah. Game. That was probably the stupidest thing I've ever said in my life.
Gangster?
Yeah.
You ain't no gangster.
Are you the gangster in this game, Mitch?
No, I'm the cool.
Yeah, I have 1 node. Hooray.
I have a hover ship.
Oh shit. What do I have? Nothing.
You have nothing.
That's kind of depressing.
Why is my ship controls over funny?
You know how to control a ship, right?
I don't know. They just kind of went funny for a second.
I do not know how to even stand a chance of winning this. Right. Because I won the game earlier. Oh my god. No, I totally had to actually do something fair. Mitchell, can I remind you how much you suck right now?
That was such a fake laugh sounded.
Okay, now let's hear your thing.
Ah, make sure there's no static this time.
Yeah, we've had to restart this a couple of times because of my stat.
I'm trying to steal my stuff. Where'd that car come from?
Oh Christ. Oh god. I am really not doing very well. I need to like get on my high here. Okay, better. Jesus dude, you're like Captain
Maybe upside.
died.
Damn it.
You kinda died, bro.
Alright, I can easily
Get that.
get
lead
back on track.
Wait, there's an uncapped mode.
Yeah, it's around the back somewhere.
Alright.
It's
I
where you
can't
get
be
the cap-
asked. I'm just literally going to just go for it.
Alright then.
Indeed. Oh, I see it.
It's the hover ship one, by the way. You're seeing as you're gonna get anyway. I wasn't gonna tell you who.
Yeah, whatever. I'm able to go for it. Right, let's do this thing. What do I get? Yay, hover share! Woo! Right, I just need to go for it. Go well.
I'm gonna die! Oh god! I did it! Yeah.
You took one down?
No. I took something else down, which is really annoying.
Oh, my base is interesting. Can I presume it is you?
No, it's not it. What would make you think something?
A dastardly thing. You have to go into the front entrance. At least I've done some damage to your base. You will never be able to recover from that siege. There we go. I'm not, as you can tell, I am not. Oh Christ, my god. That death by camera. I feel.
Oh! No! And he fell off the cliff then.
Oh god, you're going for it.
Taking a lot of my base. How the hell did you do that?
When you were like, you know when you were doing like, and I was going, that's when.
I don't remember.
Oh Christ, oh Christ, oh Christ. Things are shooting me and it's not doing anything.
I blew one up!
I blew it up! It's gonna take forever.
And I just walked off to the edge to my death. Bravo, Mitchell. Bravo.
Well done, Mitch. At least I can just spawn in the middle again.
I'm this bridge, I just...
Right, okay, I have the mine now, and I have the big blasting gun. The blitzer. What's it called? I can't even remember what it's called. The first gun you get in the beginning of the game. You know, the one before the gravity bomb.
The blitz gun.
Yeah, I think it's called the blitz gun in the second one.
No, it doesn't matter. Oh, you bastard.
Hooray! Hooray for the landmine gun. The most open thing in the entire world. Oh Christ, that's really fun. You are totally winning.
I just get this dead.
I think you actually might win.
I was going to die. Die!
Oh, right, the lava gun works well against it, does it? Okay.
No, it doesn't. It's pretty bad. I just didn't have any other better weapons on me. Oh my god, blew it up, right. Cool.
You actually gonna win? Oh Christ. Oh Christ, you're gonna beat me.
I better be.
Oh my god, you beat me. You have totally beat me. No, you've won. Good game, good game, good game.
Unless you could destroy it,
No.
I could die. Yes!
You-
Yes! In your face!
Oh, shut
in
up!
your face!
Oh my god.
Ah!
Well, that was us playing Ratchet and Clank's multiplayer with a very excited Mitch there. Thank you for watching, guys.